I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check your iPhone model and iOS version because FaceTime requires a supported release. Next, open Settings and make sure FaceTime is turned on and you are signed into your Apple ID. This authenticates the service. Once done, verify network access. Prefer stable Wi-Fi like 5 GHz or a reliable LTE/5G connection. If you see activation pending, wait a few minutes and toggle FaceTime off and on to force reactivation while monitoring signal strength. You now run deeper diagnostics. Reset network settings to clear corrupt preferences. Note this delete saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be ready to reconnect. Make sure date and time and region match your location. Incorrect time can block activation. Verify Apple ID two-factor prompts on another device so authentication isn't stalled. Once done, attempt a FaceTime call. If it fails, test calling between two Apple devices you control to see whether the issue is device-specific or account-wide, which directs your next step. Finish by installing all pending iOS and carrier updates, then perform a full restart. These small actions often restore FaceTime functionality. If problems persist, restore the iPhone from a recent backup, and if that fails, set it up as new to eliminate software corruption. Make sure to recheck FaceTime after each stage. If you still cannot place or receive FaceTime calls, the key tip is to contact Apple support with your device serial number and logs, so they can inspect network activation and account issues directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.